XCUR, EXICURE Inc. Let's review, my friends. Yes, the company profile over here, it says a clinical stage biotechnology company develops therapeutics for neurology, immuno-oncology, inflammatory diseases, and genetic disorders based on its proprietary spherical nucleic acid technology. Its drug candidate includes cabrotolimod, that is in a phase 1b/2 clinical trials in patients with advanced solid tumors. The company is also developing XCUR FXN, an SNA-based therapeutic candidate that is in preclinical trials for the treatment of Friedreich's ataxia. XCUR 17, an SNA that targets the messenger RNA, mRNA, encoding interleukin 17 receptor alpha, and AST005, an SNA targeting TNF for the treatment of mild to moderate psoriasis. It has a collaboration option and license agreement with Allergan Pharmaceuticals International Limited to develop SNA-based treatments for hair loss disorders, and license and development agreement with Dermelix LLC to research, develop, and commercialize its technology for the treatment of Netherton syndrome. The company was founded in 2011 and is headquartered where I live, in Chicago, Illinois, my friends. And if you want to know a little bit more about this company, EXICURETX.com is the website for you to browse. And now let's go to the charts. XCUR. Let's do it right now. And let's start with the longer time frame. The long time frame, which is the monthly. Support and longer time frame, the long time frame, which is the monthly. Support and resistance, always important to add to our technical analysis, and you that have been with us for quite a while know this already. So the first thing that I noticed is that the price from $1.35 is already at $1.78, and that's about 33%. And you already know, guys, what the thing about this one, let me be very honest, it's still a penny stock, right? It is a penny stock. Make sure you're using disposable income. But we are in a very strong support area, so that means that there is actually potential for this to go up even today. What am I expecting? You already know, a little bit of a pullback. And the target, the first target that I see from XCUR is gonna be $2.80. Around that area, that will be a whole move of 105%. Next target will be about $3.33, 140%, and $3.85, which will be about 129%, 79%. But David, what about if it goes back to the previous high, 650s? And you know what? Thinking about this, 650 is not too far away. It's about 368% away, which could be a great return. I always wait for confirmations. This kind of move is starting to provide me a little bit of more clarity. We are in our resistance area of 178, where there could be some potential pullbacks. Like I said, guys, and you must be wondering, David, but what if it goes higher, right? Like, David, can you just give me the clarity that I need to make a decision? But guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, okay? I'm just doing some technical analysis to provide a little bit of perspective that sometimes fundamentals can provide us perspective, a lot of it, but mixing it with technicals, you can be, well, a little bit more educated in your decision, okay? Not saying that you're not educated. I'm just saying that it will provide you that clarity that you need. So I'm expecting that $3.77 kind of makes sense to me. And if it goes further than that, $8 and even $10 could be one of those numbers that we can even reach. And that whole move will be about 450s and 590%. But like I said in the past, especially with biosector, a lot of volatility sense in an instant. That's why there's a lot of volatility. Guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and ring the motherfucking bell so you get notified every time we are online. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Very, very nice. And I gotta say,